Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Hi friend, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video, I will show you how to fetch data from MongoDB. So right now we are into Studio 3T for MongoDB, and here we will fetch data from our database High Technology, and our collection is HR. So the basic command to read the data from a collection is, first we will switch to our DB, that is use High Technology, and we will switch to our DB High Technology by using this command. So next we will use the command db dot collection name. Here our collection name is HR dot find. Okay, this is the basic command to fetch data from a collection. Here we will execute this and it will fetch all the records from our collection name of HR. So by this way we can fetch all the data from our collection name HR. So in our next command we will show you how to fetch data by defining a criteria. Like here I am defining a criteria that our age should be greater than 10. So let's do that. For that we have to use the function gt. Here we have to define that age should be greater than 10. We also have a function name of pretty that will display our result pretty. So execute this command, and here as you can see that we have two records, that is where age is greater than 10. So our next function is using of less than. So here we will fetch the data from our collection where age is less than 20. And here we have to use the function lt. Execute this, and here you can see that we have only one record where age is less than 20. Also we have function where we can use that db.hr.find, and where we can define age is greater than or equal to. For that we have to use the gte function. Execute this, and here we can see that we have two records because we have fetching all the records where age is equal to greater than or is equal to 19. So by this way we can also use the function lte, where it will fetch all the record where our defining criteria is less than or is equal to. We can use it by db.collectionname.find age lte dot pretty. And here you can see that we have two records because we have fetching all the record where age is equal to or less than our 21. So okay friend, by this way we can fetch all the records from a collection in our MongoDB. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.